Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from ARCHEER. This is their RGB gaming mousepad. You can check this out on Amazon at the time of this review for $15. So I'll have that link in the description below where you guys can check it out as usual. So we're going to dive into this, kind of show you exactly how it hooks up, what the quality of the mousepad is, and it does have 12 different lighting modes, so we'll go through those as well so that you guys can check them out. Okay, so we've got the mouse mat out here. You can kind of see it's got a control box on the left-hand side. It also has this RGB strip. It's kind of like this RGB fiber strip that goes around the entire mouse mat. Now, the mouse mat itself is 800 millimeters by 300 millimeters, or 31.5 inches wide by 11.8 inches deep. I have the ARCHEER logo one here. You can get that for $14.99 at the time of this review. You can also get a black one as well that's all black for a few dollars more. I think it's $19.99. Now, you do have a control box on the left, which is micro USB, and they do include a 3-meter braided USB to micro USB cable. I like the fact that it's braided because of the durability, and this is a decent USB cable that they give you with this mouse mat. Now, you can hook this up to any USB port on your PC or your laptop, or you can use an AC to USB adapter. Heck, you could even use a power bank if you wanted to. One button here is going to switch through all the modes, and I'm going to set up this mouse pad real quick so that you guys can check it out. On the bottom, you're going to have this anti-slip material here. On the top, you've got a really nice material as well. Overall, I think ARCHEER did a good job on the construction of this. It's nice and thick, and it feels good when you've got your hand resting on it. That anti-slip works really well on my desk, and I didn't have any problems whatsoever with that. Let's start off with your default is going to be kind of a green mode, and if I lose some focus on here, I'm sorry about that. We'll go through some of the modes. This has 12 different modes. You've got green and then, of course, blue, which works really good. You do have kind of a purple that is going to be coming up here, so we've got that as well. A red, so you've got that. Then you have a few different modes here. You've got like a light blue. You also have a yellow. And then after that, we've got kind of a white. It's an off-white, a violet, a gold or orange, which actually looks really good. And then this is where we get into the 3 dynamic modes. This one is just a breathing mode that will cycle through colors very slowly, just kind of breathing in and out. I like this one. This is kind of like a chill vibe that you can put on your desk to accent your desk if you want to. And then they've got 2 more. This one is kind of a fast blinking mode that will go through the colors here. You can see it goes through almost like in a circle. But it does it very quickly. And then you have the slower version of this to finish out your modes. This one's a little bit more chill. I think that fast one is kind of a little bit too much for me personally, but if you like it, that's great. It's there and you can use it. It's all controllable by that box, and those are all the modes that you get on this mouse pad. Okay, so that's my review of the ARCHEER RGB gaming mousepad. Again, for the one with the ARCHEER logo on it, it's going to run you about $15 currently. If you want one in all black, again, you'll have to pay a couple of dollars extra to avoid the ARCHEER logo. I kind of like the ARCHEER logo. It fits really well, especially if you use the red accent. It fits very well with this mousepad. Now, this mousepad overall ticks off all the boxes that I like. It's got a nice kind of anti-slip on the bottom better than some of the mouse pads that I've tested in the past, actually. It's large enough that it's going to fit your keyboard and your mouse, and it's going to give you a good large mousing area, and the surface that you're using, I didn't have any problems tracking my mouse with that. So this overall is a pretty decent mouse pad if you really want to add RGB accent to the top of your desk. You get 9 static modes and 3 dynamic or active modes, as I showed you in the review, and they all look really good. For the price point, ARCHEER did a really good job with this. You're looking at $16 to $20. This is a decent mouse pad, and I'm definitely giving it a thumbs up. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Remember, if you have not subscribed yet, please do so, because that always helps me out, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.